Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. We are back with another update for the Jesse token. I'm super bullish on this token, guys, because like I said in my previous video, the creator of Base Chain, remember this is the founder who built the layer 2 Base Chain, right? Super close ties to Coinbase, working hand in hand with Coinbase to make the Base Chain one of the top chains for retail investors, for people that are new to crypto. You guys love Toshi, Zora, Virtual, Clanker. All those projects were built on Base Chain. Well, the founder of Base Chain launched his own token through the Zora app, right? I have a big bag of Zora. I think you guys should have 100,000 Zora and 100,000 Jesse token, because I think Zora is going to get to $1, maybe even $4 in the future, because more and more people are signing up to the platform, and it's like Instagram for crypto. It's like Facebook for crypto. And right now, Meta, which is the main stock by Mark Zuckerberg, he's the owner, CEO of Meta, founder of Meta with Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. He's the founder of that, and that stock, Meta, is valued at $1.4 trillion, right? So I would not be surprised if Zora gets to 100 bill market cap, right? 100 billion market cap. It might seem far-fetched, but social media platforms take off and, are what I think is the best way for you to get users onto your platform, right? So this is the Jesse token. He launched it on the 20th, a couple days ago. Right, a few days ago. 1 million views on impressions. As you can see, this is the founder of Base Chain saying, I made Jesse for believers 10 minutes ago. Good morning, Base. I think, like I said, as Base Chain continues to grow, the Jesse token will grow. As Zora becomes one of the best apps in crypto, and for Coinbase users, crypto users, continues to grow, I think the Jesse token continues to grow. It's that simple. That is my thesis, right? Right here. This is the Zora app. As you could see, multiple people posting on it, new accounts being made every day. Every time you make a post and you have people interacting with the post, buying and selling, trade volume, you get fees. But it's like Instagram for crypto. Like I said, it's a very interesting and amazing concept. And that's why I have a big bag of Zora. I think this is going to be one of the best altcoins for alt season, personally. And I think the top creator coin on the platform, if you go to trending top, you see Jesse. The Jesse token is a top creator coin on the platform. I think, the more Zora grows, the more the Jesse token grows. But it's also tied to the founder of Base Chain. So the more he posts and bull posts and creates and spreads the message and awareness of Base Chain, the more the token grows. This is why I think this could get to $1 billion in market cap. It's that simple, right? Imagine, imagine it like this. Imagine CZ launched a token, right? Everybody loves CZ Binance. He launches a token called the CZ token. Whatever utilities he creates for it, it doesn't matter. That's $1 billion token, right? Just like how he has BNB. Imagine he launches like a creator coin, CZ, the CZ creator coin, where everything he posts gets tokenized. That's what Jesse's doing with the Jesse token. Isn't that $1 billion token, right? With CZ, I think, Jesse is gonna be right up there with CZ when it comes to the Coinbase and Base side, right? And that's why this is gonna be $1 billion token in the future. Right? I call it on the channel around 50 mil, 60 mil. It's climbing back up. It dropped down to 10 mil like last night on the 22nd. And you could have bought some of the dips, and it's starting to climb back up now. I think it's in the process of breaking out, honestly. 14 million market cap right now. Jesse holds 50% of the supply. So there's great supply control. All of the Jeets, all of the people that want to sell quick and get out early, they could get out because Jesse has 50% of the supply. So because of that supply control, it's way easier for it to get to $1 billion market cap, because most of the supply is in the hands of somebody who won't sell. Jesse already said he's not going to sell his tokens, right? And again, he's the founder of Base. You got to hold him to it, right? He's the founder of Base Chain, right? You gotta hold him to it. He said he's not gonna sell his token. I believe he's not gonna sell his token, right? I think he's gonna be bull posting the whole of Base Chain and the Jesse token to billions. And because he has 50% of the supply in his control, it's easier for it to grow, as far as, getting hands out of like people that, the tourists, the people that jump in, sell quickly. You don't have any of that. You have less of this. You have less than 50% in the supply of the supply in the hands of people like that. You got, again, $1 billion token, right? What is also cool to see, when Jesse's growing, it's up 13% today, right? And you can see it's starting to climb back up. Zora is also growing, right? Because what? Well, it's that simple, right? It's a simple flywheel. Zora grows, Jesse grows. Jesse grows, Zora grows. So you can see Zora is up 7.5% on the 24-hour, right? I'm telling you guys, I think that you gotta have both. You gotta have Zora and you gotta have Jesse token. If you like Toshi, Virtual, Clanker, give me a project you like on the Base Chain, Edel, KTA, you like KTA, Kita Network, you gotta have some Jesse token. The Kita coin would not exist if Jesse didn't make Base Chain, right? Toshi would not exist if Jesse didn't make Base Chain. You have to have his token. It's like a no-brainer. This is a token you must have, right? Right now, as we speak, last night you could have bought it for $1,000, but you have to be quick in crypto. You have to be like one of the best to make money in this space, right? So you just have to just keep going, get better. Right now, $1,430 gets you 100,000 tokens. It goes to $1 billion market cap, which I honestly and truly believe it will get to $1 billion market cap. That's $100,000. That's $100,000 at $1 billion market cap. If you bought last night, when it dipped down, you could have got it for $1,100 last night, right? But crypto moves fast, right? A lot of people thought it was over. So you see, this is what crypto Twitter thinks. They're like, yo, this is just gonna go straight to zero, right? This is what they think. It's just gonna go straight to zero. Jesse replied to this person and said, if you're evaluating me on a one-day chart, you're doing it wrong. Sorry. This means he's gonna push this thing, man. It's that simple. And then someone called Nicolette said, I say we peer everything to Jesse. We are just getting started with the Jesse peering. So you see how all of the coins launched, all of the tokens, well, all of the posts or the social media content that is created on Zora, which becomes tokenized, is peered to Zora. As you can see, Jesse right now is peered to Zora, Jesse Zora. Well, he will do the same thing with the Jesse token and peer. He will peer projects or posts, or I guess other creator posts and other types of content to the Jesse token. I recently saw that there was a #1 coin that people were shilling, like some, very micro cap coin that was peered to Jesse, right? And again, that just helps. Like, I like Base because this type of innovation, man, like these type of ideas, it's not just the meme coin. Look at how much stuff that is involved with it, right? But yeah, that'll do it for me, man. I think this goes to $1 billion market cap. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Catch y'all in the next one.